Hi, it's Kozue. I'm going to make name decals. I'm going to use regular clear nail polish and parchment paper, pointed tweezers, permanent markers with a fine point, and a craft knife. All these items are available at a dollar store in Japan. And fine scissors. Okay, let me get started. I'm applying the polish on the parchment paper. It's quite difficult to see what's happening on the paper. I'm sorry about this. I'm making circles. They are the size of my thumbnails. I'm also making smaller oval shapes. I think they should be thick, so I'm applying the second coat. I'm letting them dry. I'll let them dry for a day. Now I'm going to write on the dried polish. I tried a marker and a pen, but they didn't work very well on the polish. So I decided to use a brand new marker so that the ink stays well on the polish. I want to write BLACKPINK, but it will be too long for my nail. I don't think this marker tip is tiny enough to write long words, or my skills are just not good enough to write tiny things. Anyways, I tried. Now I'm comparing the size of my thumbnail and the BLACKPINK logo. I'll try to write one more time. As you cannot see, I'm comparing the logo size with my thumbnail again. The last logo I wrote should be okay. Today's project is to make BLACKPINK decals, but of course, you can write whatever you like on the polish. I'll write more just in case. Probably I can design this Korean letter with a heart. I'm sorry, it's too small to see. I found that those images get blurry even with a brand new marker. I need to get the hang of it. I'm trying different words and logos. I want to choose a few good ones among these. I got this nail stamping plate and this stamper at a dollar store. When I bought this stamper, it looked like the right one. The rubber top was really clear, but I rubbed the surface with a sponge to prime it. Now it picks up designs much better. It's not clear, but I can still see what's going on through it. This scraper was also from a dollar store. I'm going to use this regular nail polish. I'm getting rid of excess designs on the stamper with a masking tape. Unfortunately, the lines are not perfectly straight, but never mind. So these are what I prepared earlier in this video. And I'm adding some more designs. I'm going to use this one. I'm cutting it out with a craft knife. Oh, it came off easily. I'm applying no wipe top coat on the nail and putting the decal on it. I cured it. If you put no wipe top coat on the decal, it'll smudge, so I'm applying peel-off base coat. This is water-based, so I'm sure it's safe to use. I'm applying it on the design and let it dry for a couple of minutes. Oh, then, it'll be much easier if I apply the water-based coat on the design beforehand. The water-based peel-off base coat is dry now. I'm going to apply this non-wipe top coat twice to complete this nail art on my thumb. I applied the top coat twice and cured it. I have to clean the excess polish on my skin with nail polish remover. My thumbnail art is done. Now I'm going to use a fine brush and make more designs in white. I'm using acrylic paint. I have to make sure the paint doesn't get dry on the brush. After I decide which one to use, I'll cut it out, just like I did earlier. Somehow, this one doesn't cut well like the BLACKPINK logo. So I'm cutting it with the scissors. I'm trying to cut the closest to the design. I'll apply this non-wipe top coat on my nail as glue. And place the cutout design onto the nail. Make sure you have no air or bubbles between the decal and the nail. If you find any, slowly press it with tweezers. Double check and triple check the layout. I'm going to cure it and apply the top gel polish again for the final coat. It is time-consuming to make your own decals, but it's also a lot of fun to have your favorite K-pop artist's name on your nails. So why don't you try it? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Bye!